Dracarys.
For this Easy Rocks video, we test Easy Rocks versus Fire. Here are 4 popular profiles: the Splash, Coral Brick, Wood Mosaic, and Salvaged Wood. But first, we need something to test how hot the torch is. Yep, that's hot alright. First up, the Splash and Coral Brick. As you can see, the fire has no effect on the color. Now let's take a closer look. Now let's test Wood Mosaic and Salvaged Wood. Unlike real wood, our stones won't burst into flames like the slave masters of Astapur. Again, let's take a closer look. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow us and to like us on Facebook for Facebook exclusive deals. And as always, rock on!